So Doogee has announced the Doogee V40 5G. It's kind of like the standard version of the V40 Pro. So what I'm going to do in this video is compare the top specs of both devices to point out the differences and similarities between both 5G rugged beasts. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. And I'd like to thank you guys for 13k subscribers. Anyway, without further ado, let's quickly dive into the quick specs comparison. So there we go, guys, the V40 versus the V40 Pro. As you can see, both devices are a little bit different from one another. And of course, what do you guys think? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.